I'd like to show you another important detail in how this Lele is being done. On this table here, we have a whole bunch of brackets and pieces. This is a really important part that I didn't show. This is the center of the rocker panel, and these are various gussets and fittings which were made up when we made up the fittings for the passenger side. They're opposites and they're going to go on the driver's side. So I showed the outer rocker, and then I showed inside the door the inner rocker down there. But I did not point out that this is actually the center of the rocker. So it's not a clamshell, it's actually two such things bonded together with this piece in the center. And there's a really important point that I'd like to show about how this bonding is done. So if you look at this original area where body panels were joined, look down in there and you can see that this is all rotted away, and it's rotted away because at the factory, all they did was take two pieces of steel and weld them together. They welded bare steel together with nothing in between them, and then they painted them. So there was absolutely no corrosion protection inside these things. Today, in doing quality work, everything that's been made, all these pieces are all the twins of those pieces you see right there. Each one of these has been sprayed with a weldable coating on the surface that welds, and that way, even though we're welding these at high temperature, they are primed with a protective coating which survives being welded through. And then the finished structure is further coated with this silver coat that you see on top. And that means that there is no bare metal surface anywhere to rust. Even if water were to go inside this channel, and I think I can show it with my light. We look inside there and you can see it's fully finished in there. It's fully finished, and it's finished on the insides of the wells. So that's a really important piece of quality in the workmanship that Ray and everyone are doing that you'll never see from outside, but it absolutely matters because that's what's going to keep this car from rotting away in 10 or 20 years like it did the first time.